Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this electric brush cleaner. Now I do a lot of makeup all the time, and my brushes get gross, and I hate hand washing them. So this will solve all of that. This will hold all of your brushes just in this top little area here, and then you wash them just through the electric base here, and it takes about 5 minutes to wash it. It's got an 8,000 RPM in here. So all we have to do is fill it up to our max line with some warm water, and then I'm gonna add some of my face soap in there. We'll add in our brushes, and then we will put it to work. So in here, we have our charger base and our USB-C cable. Really nice that they actually give this base. That is a nice addition. So now I'm gonna insert in the brushes, and these are all just a little flexible holes, so you find some that are a little bit tight because you want this just a little bit up off the base of this here. So we're just going to put this on here, and then we will get it started up. So now that we've got them all in there, obviously my brushes are disgusting. It's just got a one-touch button. It just starts it up in there and it runs it around. Said in about 5 minutes, we will check out my brushes and see how clean they got. All right, this just stopped running and that water looks disgusting. It's been a little while since I've washed my brushes, so now I've got them all rinsed out. And now they can just sit like this and dry, which is great. That was so much easier than hand doing it. And I know that it's got all nice and clean. And it's a great way to keep them all organized while you are getting them washed up.